everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can unmute notification of a contact in your WhatsApp. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your WhatsApp on your phone. And after opening the WhatsApp here, you can see these are the chats of the contact that you previously did in your WhatsApp. And in here now you have to select the particular contact that you want to unmute the notification of. Here you can see right now in my phone, this is the particular contact that is currently mute. And all you have to do is long press on this contact like this. And then you can see this will pop up, and in here you will be able to see the option of unmute just above the archive option right here. Simply just tap on it in order to unmute this contact like this. And you can see now the bell-like icon that you previously saw in this contact is no longer in here, and you have now successfully unmuted the notification of this contact. And that is it. That is how you unmute the notification of a contact in your WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.